If your garage door opener keeps running after the door closes, it's usually a force setting issue that you can fix yourself without calling a pro. So, most garage door openers have force settings that tell the motor how much power to use when closing or opening. If the force is set too high, the motor won't stop when the door hits the ground, making it keep running. First up, check your owner's manual for where the force adjustment screws or buttons are located. Usually, you'll find two settings, one for opening force and one for closing force. Turn the closing force down just a little bit and test it out. If it stops right after closing, you're golden. Also, clean and lubricate the door tracks and rollers, because dirt and grime can make the door harder to close, so your opener works overtime. Don't forget to check the safety sensors near the bottom of the door. If they're misaligned or dirty, the opener can act up. If you feel uncomfortable adjusting it yourself, ask a friend who's handy or call a local expert to avoid any headaches. One of the biggest garage door opener problems is setting the force too high, which causes the motor to keep running even when the door is closed. Fix this by dialing down the force settings slowly. Another common issue is dirty or misaligned safety sensors. These can confuse the opener into thinking something is blocking the door, so clean and realign those sensors to fix it. Lastly, worn-out rollers or tracks make the door heavy to move, causing the opener to strain and run longer. Regular maintenance and lubrication usually solve this problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get jobs done right without the stress. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with people looking for reliable pros and grow their business with real leads.